Moved to Miami and caught me a boat. Hold my fiends, don't stop doing coke. Bitch, I'm a champ on top of the ropes. New Louis V's every time I tote. 9mm every time I tote. I do all the shit without a stylist. I got money, never went to college. I got all my cars without the mileage. I can't fuck on these ratchet ass bitches. She bout to fuck the whole hood. I been stacking these hundreds inside the safe, so all my niggas know I'm good. Real street nigga, keep it all in the tag. Got the shooters on the side with bazookas in the back. Got a whole Amir Jean collection, and I ain't choose this shit was destiny. Bitch, I cooked the water without the recipe, and the fans and the cops ain't got no heart. How they gon' tame my little cousin if Stady was whipping to give all his children a start? Playing with that water, gotta be a shark. Swimming with the fishes, ducking from the narcs. 13 posted middle of the park. If you see a op, gotta let it spark. Moved to Miami and caught me a boat. Hold my fiends, don't stop doing coke. Bitch, I'm a champ on top of the ropes. New Louis V's every time I tote. 9mm every time I tote. I do all the shit without a stylist. I got money, never went to college. I got all my cars without the mileage.
3-5 a belt whenever I smoke. I see him doing it, but I do the most. I'ma do for the bro, for I do for a hoe. All this money that's coming, I'll do for them both. They ain't running with me, nowhere near close. Shit be crazy what I do for a post. You'll go viral, but it won't be no joke. I got power and I move like a ghost. In a Rari doing 160 controlling it. Big old baby piece, them folks gotta notice me. I'm an artist to the street, this shit poetry. Real trapper, never did nothing fraudulent. Sending boxes coast to coast like I'm Roddy Rich. Yo, just focus on yourself, you can buy the bitch in Miami for a week, catching vibes and shit. We got baddies on the boat, getting hot and shit. G6, make that shit come up out of me. Pink slips to the car if I'm driving it. No withdrawals, only deposited. 100K cash stuffed in my pockets. I'ma show these niggas how they should pop it. Forbes list, I'm tryna get on the top of it. I walk in, they start switching the topic up. I feel in the counter